Friends, welcome to Juani's Garden. My name is Juani. Friends, we haven't had any projects for the month of January and February here in our New Mexico property. It was cold and not very cold, but even though cold, and we got sick. It looks like we took turns getting sick. But look, friends, this is the next project. So we ordered a shed. It's made out of resin. Super simple to put together. I looked at some videos and you just, snap them together. Super, super simple. No cuts, very little, a few screws. And well, you're going to see it, friends, because I'm going to show you. But I was surprised that there were so many boxes that came with this project. 13, friends, 13 boxes. It's a 10 by 16 shed. And again, everything is in my bedroom here. I don't live here, so it's okay. It's okay. We also have some wire mesh here for a chicken run that we're going to do. So for this, friends, we have to prepare a base first and then put the shed together and assemble it. So this, friends, was the very best deal I got, and it's called Patiowell, and I found it at Walmart.com. They don't have them at the local stores here, but I looked at sheds, and they were anywhere from 8,000 to 10 to 12 to 14,000. And I kept on looking and looking and looking because I kept on thinking I can't afford this. So friends, this one here, it cost $2,100. No shipping charges either, just the tax. Let me show you two other cartons that I have in the other room. And these two large boxes are a part of the whole set also, friends. So friends, this is the project for March. If we can manage to finish it quickly, I have another one. I have another project. I'll show you in a minute. So friends, thanks so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. See you again soon.